All right, here we go, guys. So many years in the making. This is it. This is a start. I got a big triangle house. Only got the windows changed. Let's see. Nope, wrong one. There's a 50-50 chance. I failed. Well, this is it for all you people. This isn't a house. This is an apartment. There you go. Hey, it works, right? We got these two things, hookups. Here's the bedroom and the big ass closet. I like it. Oh, those closet doors are outside. And then that's got to go. Death tub. What the fuck is that? And then here's the deck outside. Nothing. That's grass. I just I just acquired a large amount of yard work. That's all it is. I don't even know what's past that, but it goes way beyond past the trees. And then here's the garage. So then I have to put a shed right here for my bikes. Then put the Mustang right here. Not bad, right? Of course, I get a garage with no garage door opener. And then it's all right. It's all right. We're good. We're good. Well, stay tuned when we start doing the yard work.